So here we're taking a look at how to create a table from another table. And so here we have a table called controls, and what I want to do is create a baseline of all of these controls, and I want to do it automatically within the data structure. So one option is I could go through and copy all of the data that I have in these fields over, right? Or I could do it a little more automatic using a query in SQL. So here what we've done to get this started, we've gone to create query design, and we just canceled that out and went to SQL view. And this is the text that we're working with right here. We're working with this database right here called controls, which you can see here. This is the from area. And here we're going to create a database for Walmart that just has their baseline controls. So ultimately what we want to do is be able to compare all the controls here to the controls that only Walmart has, so that when we run analysis we know exactly what they're using in their environment. And so this is pretty easy to do. Here, this is the destination, so we're saying what we're going to move into this new database. So you change this to change the name of your table that you're going to create. And then this is the table, excuse me, this is a table that it's coming from. All the information already exists here. So we're going to run a query, and this is where the query starts right here, where, and this is the control name, which is the name of the database file. So if you look here, we have this database file here, right? This table called controls, control name, control description, and you can see that here in control name, right? And then what we've done is we've gone ahead and just specified which control names we want. Now, if we used an AND command, that means that it would have to, the control name would have to equal both of those variables, which we don't want. Or we can use an OR command, which can list them all out. So we can add as many as we like to this list. For example, let's go ahead and just run this and show you what the Walmart HR data table will look like. Now notice here, you're going to watch here, it's going to actually change. All right, now here it's asking me to confirm that I want those 3 rows in there. I'm going to say yes, and there it is. It just appears automatically. And when we open it up, now you can see those 3 controls, AC1, AC2, and SC1, all listed here. We can, again, create more controls if we like, just by adding another OR statement, just like this, and adding it here, and just putting in whatever else we want. Let's just say AC4, for example. We'll do this real quick. We'll delete that table, and then we'll rerun it. Now we're going to look for an additional one, so that's 4 of them. So let's go ahead and just hit run, and then hit yes, and sure enough, there's AC4 appearing as well. So that's how you quickly create a baseline table or another table within your environment that is built on components from an existing table. And remember, the reason for this is because this table here has 1,038 records. So I don't want to spend the time going through and copying and pasting and doing all that. It's a lot easier just to type in the names of the controls, or I can use a form to populate this as well, but look at other videos to do that.